Before we start, I have a playlist on different places in different US states for off-roading and adventuring. Please do check it out and thank you.
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff, your adventure, and today we're going to Afton Canyon. And man, I didn't expect this, but there's a cops that trying to attempt to do river crossing in the Mojave River. It's a 3 feet deep. So, and then we're gonna drive to the Mojave River Trail all the way to the spooky canyon. And man, the canyon, well, it's really spooky though when you're going there by yourself, because you never know what's gonna be there, and it's so freaking cold. And then stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, and we're gonna explore and river crossing on the 3 dip, and we're gonna drive all the way to the spooky canyon and explore the spooky canyon. So let's go, guys!
Okay guys, so for today, we're going to Afton Canyon and our first destination is going to be right over here. And then going to drive all the way here at Spooky Canyon. So be careful guys if you're gonna go here, and let's explore.
Alright guys, so we're in the Afton entrance. So it's Interstate 15. It's kind of windy right now here, and as you can see in my hair, and that's the entrance. So I've never been there, so I don't know if the trail is easy or not. So probably I'm just gonna lower my tire pressure to 15.10 psi. And yeah, so I saw in the internet that it might be like there's a deep water crossing. I'm not sure. I've never been here, like I said, and hopefully it's not gonna drown my raptor, or else I'm dead. By the way, I'm gonna lower my tire pressure now. So far the road there is not too bad, and I think that's the water crossing. I'm not sure, or maybe all the way to the canyon there, so I'm not sure. But anyway, there's like a picnic area here, or bonfire area. There's a bathroom there, and yeah, right now it's so beautiful guys. So I see some like two people are camping in right now. Yeah. So let's go there, guys. Afton Canyon campground. But anyway, we're gonna go there. Alright, so our first crossing is gonna be there, and I'm not sure how deep it is, so I need to check, because like I said, it's my first time going here, and I don't know how deep is that. Might be 2, 3, 4 feet. I'm not sure, so it's better to check it out. So let me just get some rocks, and I'm gonna toss it there. So not sure, maybe I'm gonna fly my drone, and one more. Kinda looks deep, but I don't know. But well, what the heck? Let's cross it. under the water, so Yeah, but there's another crossing there, so maybe it's more deeper than this one. So yeah. Woo! So the cops gonna see me how I cross the river. So I already I put my tire pressure down to 10 psi, and they're waiting for me there. So they're gonna cheer me. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but good luck. So this is the deepest river crossing, and the cops are waiting for me there, and someone's gonna take a BG there crossing it. So probably I'm gonna play my drone here, and that's the train bridge. Yeah, I see someone like the chief walking around there, so maybe when I'm going back, I'm gonna go back there. So we'll see what's gonna happen. So at least the cop is here just in case I drown my RAV4. They're gonna like pull me out, so we'll see. The cops saw that and they said, nah, never mind, I'm not gonna do that, especially, you know, it's not their car, it's from the state car. So I understand that, but one of the chief said he has a jeep, so he's just looking around, maybe he can cross with the jeep. But now he knows, maybe next time he's gonna go back here to cross it with a jeep. And like I said, if you don't want to go here, you can always bypass that. There's a way going here, and so that's the train track, and there's a train coming in, like I said. Whew. But anyway, it was fun though. It was fun and scary in the same time. So it's so deep though, it's so deep, guys, as you can see in the video. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go to Spooky Canyon, so let's go!
So after the deep river crossing, next going to drive to Mojave Road Trail, but locally known as the Grand Canyon of the Mojave because of the dramatic geological formation, and this is the only place where the Mojave River flow above ground year around.
guys, so we're pretty much close to the Spooky Canyon, so it's gonna be right over there. And I don't see any way here, so I just, you know, went here because, and this pretty much is it's huge. You can pretty much go anywhere, but I'm just trying to, you know, have fun and navigate it. So like I said, it's my first time going here. I don't know this place pretty much, but anyway, it's somewhere over there on that train track bridge. I can see it there, so let's go there. Okay, so we're pretty much here. That's a canyon there, a Spooky Canyon, and I don't know why it's called spooky. Maybe it's scary. Who knows? So yep, anyway, wow, it's so beautiful, guys. The canyon, wow. You lead the way, and wow, I guess that's why it's called spooky, because it's very spooky. And let's see how far we can go, because it's getting dark now and I don't want to get stuck in the dark, just in case. Oh wow. I might call a bear here. Oh. Very cold too. Oh. Come on, let's go, guys. Okay. Whew. Jay, what are you doing there? Oh wow. I guess if my car can go on the tunnel, I mean in the bridge, I can drive all the way there, or I don't know, but wow. Whew. I don't even know how far this canyon is, how far you're gonna hike, but I don't wanna have a rattlesnake here bite my foot because I'm not wearing a shoe, so I have to be careful, because who knows what's in here. So pretty much it's more hiking here, and I don't think there's no end for this, and I'm getting a little bit afraid because I don't know, because I saw in the YouTube that there's a rattlesnake here, and since I don't wearing a boots or shoe or something like that, but let's see. I'm gonna walk a little bit further and let's check it out. So yeah, so it's more hiking there, going up with those rocks, so I don't think I'm not gonna go any further because I don't know what's in there. Like I said, I've never been here and I'm getting a little bit tired too. I guess some lack of exercise, maybe that's why I'm getting fat. Anyway, it's a great taking a picture there all the way to the canyon, and wow, all I can say is wow. So anyway, I guess time to go back and going back to the camp, and we're kind of feel a little bit hungry now, and I got like, what do you call that? I got the I got the El Polo Loco, that's why I'm getting loco. And hey, yeah, so it's gonna be the same thing on the trail that we go here, and then the trail we're gonna take to go back there again. So this is gonna be a little bit challenging too. So anyway, let's see you on the campsite. Alright guys, so we're back in the camp. In here, we're not gonna here because it's in the forecast that it's probably it's gonna rain. Right now the wind is really strong, so I'm just gonna eat some El Pollo Loco, and the sun is going down now. It's so windy though. It's so windy, guys, and my dog actually gonna go down because of the happening there. Woo! It's so cold. So after this, we're gonna chow and go back home and edit some videos so I can show it to you guys. And alright guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like to support this channel or you wanna buy some merchandise, so once again it's whatstore.com, and thank you guys for supporting this channel, and thank you too for watching it, and see you next time for another adventure vid. So woo! Peace guys, it's so cold in here!